Hey guys, so today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get a Hollywood Story modded version for iOS and Android. So as you can see, I'm pretty poor, but if I press this button, I can add free diamonds. So I'm going to turn this all the way up, and then the diamonds are going to start increasing, and then I'm going to show you how to download this Hollywood Story modded version so you can get free diamonds too. So let's just give it a minute for this to go up, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's see if it increases or not, and then we'll do a tutorial. So as you can see guys, it's going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this on iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the guide. So this is super cool guys. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is go over to the browser. And what I want you to do is type in the website tweakmod.com. So this is the website guys. So once you're there, go in the search bar, type in Hollywood, and obviously we're going for Hollywood Story, so press install. And now before the download finishes, there's going to be a verification. So what we have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app stores. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, so yeah, I don't make videos anymore, but you know, I had to get down and dirty with this one. It actually works. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so we're just going to give it a second to load up, and it's going to say like missing files or whatever. So what you want to do is go ahead and download some of these apps. So we got like Travel Town, which says reach level 9. So it's just a game. So I just press continue, takes me to the app store, and I just have to download it and reach level 9. So that's how to do it guys. So be sure to try us out. I'll see you later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, my brotherhood. So yeah, all I have to do is play this game until I reach level 9, guys. So that's very easy. So that's just one of them. And I mean, there's tons more. So peace out. So just do 2 of them. So yeah, super crazy, but I'll see you guys later. So we got like YouTube, you can watch this video. They got Hidden Casino, you know, TikTok down and run for 30 seconds. So just make sure you do 2 of the apps. Another thing is, go in settings, keep the background app refresh on. So let's go in the app store, type in Hollywood Story and see what we're doing. So I'm just going to type it in right here. So we'll just do Hollywood. And as you can see guys, right here is the game. And then come down to this and you can see it's very expensive. So if you guys do want to pay, that's up to you. But personally, I'm not paying. So this is super insane guys. And you're bypassing all of that, so that's so cool. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this fully works on iOS and Android guys. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, I mean, if this tutorial works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it because there's a lot of people that don't know about this and they need to be educated. So pretty crazy. It works on all devices, so if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. You know, it's super insane and it fully works for all devices, iOS and Android. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe, tell your friends. This is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to tell your friends about this story because it is legit modded version. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, tell your friends because this is super cool. And it's updated and all the people are going to come together and we're going to all have Hollywood Story mods together. So that's crazy. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel, bro.